Hi, buddy. Are you watching your video? Here's your girlfriend.
Hi. Hi. My name is Alika.
You love Alika.
Make sure you look at the word. Can you say
Clap.
Clap.
clap?
Clap.
The baby is clapping. Can you clap? Can you say nose?
Nose.
Delaney's touching her nose. Now you touch
Say
your nose.
thanks, Grandma.
Arms. Arms. The arrows are pointing to the baby's arms.
I love my video.
Arms up.
Put your arms up.
Arms up.
Arms down.
Arms down. Put your arms down. Go ahead. Put your arms down.
Mouth.
Mouth.
Hayden can open his mouth. Now you open your mouth.
Wave.
Wave. You know this one. Wave.
We are waving to you. Can you wave to us? Can you say
Dog.
You have a dog.
Dog.
dogs love to play? This dog is playing with his toy. Cat. Cat.
We're going to go eat breakfast now.
Cat say meow. Baby.
Baby.
Baby. The baby is playing with a rattle. Do you have a rattle?
You have a rattle. Baby.
Clap.
Hayden is clapping his hands. Can you clap your hands?
Can you say wait? Wait.
Wave.
Wave to Delaney. She is waving to you.